Good morning, friends. Myself, Professor Y.M. Hardi, presently working in Rajarshi Shamaras Polytechnic, Nasik. Today, we have see the impact of jet case 5. In that, we see the impact of jet on incline moving plate. So, let's start. So, this is an incline case. So, in fixed and moving plate, there is a difference. In fixed plate, there is a V, and in moving plate, there is a V minus U, where the V is the velocity of jet, U is the velocity of blade. So, firstly, draw the diagram. So, this is a diagram of incline plate in the direction of jet. So, jet is a cross sectional area A with the help of calculate with the help of diameter D. So, diagram झाली का? So consider a jet cross section area A with velocity V strike on inclined plate at a velocity U. The theta represent angle between the plate and the jet. So the components of velocity in normal and tangential direction as shown in figure. So jet velocity V and U is the blade velocity. So whenever impact water is impact on that blade, it move in the direction V minus U. So with the help of that, it provide V minus U is the velocity of moving inclined plate. So write down next diagram, analysis diagram. v minus u cos theta, v minus u sin theta, v minus u theta. So fx, fn, fy. There is a difference between fixed plate and moving plate is v replace v minus u. So let's see the v minus u theta, v minus u cos theta, v minus u sin theta. So fluid jet striking on inclined moving plate. So the relative velocity of water striking on the plate is v minus u. Mass flow rate is rho a v minus u. So the force in the normal direction is m dot into initial velocity minus final velocity. So rho a v minus u, it is a mass flow rate, density into area into velocity. So rho a v minus u into bracket v minus u sin theta. So Fn is rho a v minus u bracket square sin theta. So this is a force of jet in normal direction. So Fn value is completed. So write down the Fn value. झालं की मला सांगा नेक्स्ट. So next is force fx and fy. Force, normal force in x direction, normal force in y direction. So the component of normal force in x direction is fx, component of normal force in y direction is fy. So fx is equal to fn sin theta. So fn is a rho a v minus u bracket square sin theta. So fn is equal to rho a v minus u bracket square sin square theta. So fy is a fy fn cos theta. So rho a v minus u bracket square sin theta cos theta. So this is our formula for moving incline, impact of jet on moving incline plate. So write down the formula. So the next equation is impact of jet on flat moving plates. So the figure shows impact of jet on flat moving plates. Let's see the force exerted by jet on flat moving plates. So in single plate, consider a case of continuous series of plates. As shown in figure, all plates are moving in the same direction with velocity v. So the plate and vanes are moving in the radial direction along the circumference. The jet strike the vane tangentially. So whenever the jet tangentially, the figure shows shaft, moving plates, radial spokes, wheels and nozzles. So v minus u be the velocity and mass flow velocity impact of water on the blade. So consider a series of moving plate are available continuously. The mass flow rate of water is m dot is equal to rho av. So F force on the plate Fn is equal to m dot into initial velocity minus final velocity. So rho av v minus u. So Fn is rho av v minus u. Next, work done. Work done is equal to force into displacement. So rho av v minus u into v. So kinetic energy supplied is rho a v cube. So with the help of that, efficiency is work done upon kinetic energy. So rho a v minus u is the rho half rho a v cube. So 2 upon v minus u. Condition of efficiency is 2 upon v square v minus u into u is equal to 0. So 2 upon v square v minus 2 is u. So v is equal to twice u. Put in that equation. So with the help of that, the efficiency is half or 50%. So note that the flat called vanes, this type of shown is understood the maximum efficiency of optimal is 50%. So write down this. So write down the derivations. So next is a let's see the example on this case. So a jet of water 60 mm diameter strike on curve vanes. Curve vanes with center velocity 80 meter per second. The curve is moving with velocity 6 meter per second in the direction of jet with an angle 165. Assume that plate is smooth. Calculate the force on the plate in the direction of jet and power. So power is the work done. So firstly diameter d 0.06, velocity v, velocity u 6 meter per second, direction of deflection of jet is 165 degree. So mass flow rate is rho a v minus u, so 33.92. So with the help of that, calculate the force v minus u 1 plus cos theta. So with the help of that, calculate the force in normal directions. So let's see the 7 centimeter diameter jet having velocity v 30 meter per second with plate inclined at 45 degree. Find the So let's see the next example. So fx is 612.287. So write down these examples. Some are 15, 4 marks. So in this way we completed the fourth case. Thank you.